Hey testers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to automate test case number 6, which is contact us from. So the steps are launch browser, navigate to URL, verify homepage, like click contact us form, verify it, add the required fields, and verify the success message and click home button. So regarding that, I am using my own application called testapiqa.com. Right? So what are the steps? First, launch the browser. Yeah. So I'm using VS Code here. Let me close this one. Let me create a new file, name called contact us from.spec.ts. So I'm using just copy and paste it. So let me remove the code over here. Yes. So to launch the browser page, this is the Playwright page fixture. Launch browser and closing the browser will taken care by default. Okay. I don't need to write for separate code for that. Navigate to URL. Okay. Avoid page that to navigate any URL we use go to method. Inside the go to method we will specify the URL, which is text one. And next the step would be verify home page, right? So this is the home page. We will verify, say, shop by category. Okay. Regarding that, let me inspect it and inspect and hover on the element. Yes. Since it does not have yes, we can use get by role because this element has a tag called h2, which means heading, and this has a visible text shop by category. Okay. I am going to use avoid page dot get by role. Next would be heading, right? H2 means heading. The name of the visible text is shop by category. Let me save it in, let's say, home page text. So since this element does not return as promise, we can remove this one. And I'm going to verify whether the text is visible or not in home page. To have text is the method which text is we need to verify this one shop by category. Yes, the next one would be click contact us. So actually here there is no contact us form, right? Just scroll down little bit, you will see the contact us link over it. So this has a visible text called contact and link, which is tag is available. We can use get by role. Avoid page dot get by role link, then name, specify the name is nothing but a visible text of an element which is contact us. You can remove the image. Okay, actually we can just add the contact as text. So that click is the method to click action. Click action. The next step would be verify get in touch is visible. Let's see. Yes, get in touch visible, get in touch. So the step is talking about the get in touch text. Even that this text has the same one section title, the heading. So I'm going to use this one. Which one? I used heading instead of that. Okay, I'm using this one, which is get in text. And what is the text of this one? Get in touch. Next one would be verify this. Okay, avoid expect get in text test to have text. What else we need to verify? The get in touch is visible, right? So we are not validating. We can use, in order to verify the element is visible, we don't need to use to have text. We use dot to be visible. Expect is an assertion library which waits up to 5 seconds in order to verify the element. So we used to be visible. We use to be visible, right? So the expect library, which means this element will be try to find up to 5 seconds. Next one would be enter name email. Yes. So here we don't see a visible text here, right? And but it has an input. We can't do anything. We can't use get by role. So we use place by placeholder. Okay. I'm going to use avoid page dot get by placeholder and paste it dot. I need to fill some data, right? Say test user. Okay. Name is fine. Now let's inspect the email. See, even this input has a placeholder. It does not have visible text. We can directly use placeholder. Although we can write XPath or CSS, but our creator should be almost most of the time use get by methods only, because that is a recommended approach in Playwright. Get by placeholder and paste this the rate fill, say a sample test user at the rate gmail.com. The next one would be subject. Same placeholder. We'll use same placeholder. Avoid page start. Get by placeholder. How can I fill? Okay, the next one would be the message. Even this input the text area does not have the visible text. We can't use it. We'll use directly placeholder. Avoid page start. Get by placeholder. Let's say subject. And last one, we need to click this send message, right? Usually as a user, you will not enter the data, right? Because by seeing this, you will see, you will directly just click this send message, right? So Playwright uses this approach, which is user perspective approach. So here there is a button, which is the tag, and this has a visible text, right? So no need to write an XPath or CSS for this one. We can use page dot get by role. Since it is a button, right? When I click see, you can see more than 36 sessions. We just use button and the name of visible text. Name of the visible text of an element is send message dot click. And the last one would be click submit button, click OK. Verify success message, click home button. Okay. Let me enter some data. Paste the and message. Then I click send message. So once I click send message, you will see message send, right? But the message, this message is not equal to here because the test cases are not updated yet. So we will go for this only. Say let's verify message sent element. Message sent element. See, message sent element. It does not have either placeholder or visible text, right? But we can use get by role because here h3 means heading. Okay, I can directly use this one by visible text. Avoid page dot get by role, right? single colon, heading, right? Heading, name, visible text name is this. Dot. You can write is visible directly, but is visible does not verify the element is visible on down page. Okay, and does not wait for certain timeout. Why we use expect for this instead of the is visible? We use expect. Okay. Meanwhile, let me save this element locator and variable called message sent element. Okay. Since this returns locator, right, you can remove this avoid keyword. Avoid expect. Why we use expect assertion? Because expect assertion, let me tell you, to be visible, right? Expect assertion, if we use to expect to be visible, this expect assertion will wait up to 5 elements until the element is visible. It keep on checking whether the element is visible. So if the element is not visible more than 5 minutes, it throw an error. While if you use dot to be visible, that to visible, it does not wait for an element, and it does not return, it does return only boolean like true or false, right? Okay, even the element is not visible, it returns true. So always you should use expect library for assertions. Okay, and then our scripting part is done. Let me change this to test test case 6. Contact us from. Okay, let's run this one. Browser has invoked, it clicked contact us, entering username, email, subject, and message, and clicked send message. See, it verified. See, the one test case has passed. Yes. If you like my explanation, please share and subscribe and hit like button. And you can enroll my one-on-one classes. Just click enroll now here. See, I am going to conduct a Playwright framework one-on-one. So where I'll be teaching a live coding and followed by 1 hour. So you will write a code and I will I'll correct your framework things.